Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today we are in Crosswinds and Nocatee, and I have Sylvia here with David Weekley Homes.
Hi everyone.
And Sylvia's going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home that we currently have available. So Sylvia, please tell us where we're at.
So we are at 284 Sutton Drive. We're going to take a look at our Shepherd floor plan. This floor plan is right under 2,400 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom with an upstairs retreat home. It's very unique. I want to kind of point out and highlight the exterior. I think this home has beautiful curb appeal with the brick, skirting there that you see, the board and batten. You even have this cute little awning there already built in. Something else that we could kind of highlight a little bit later, but you have this updated landscaping package too. So something that's not typically included.
Okay.
All right. Are we ready to go inside?
Let's do it.
Okay, excellent. So let's walk in. So we have this beautiful entry. It's a nice wide entry here.
Beautiful.
You could do so much with this. You could do a little banquette. You could do some storage with some pull-out drawers, a seating area. And then you walk right into the main living area. Beautiful sight lines, very natural light, a lot of natural light here that you'll see. So you have a bedroom downstairs, which is actually a unique feature of this home because this is a 4th bedroom and a full bathroom downstairs. Fantastic for guests, adult children, elderly parents.
I love that it's separate too, like right in the front, away from everything else.
Exactly. And you have 2 entrance points. One is from the bedroom, making it a great ensuite. And then you also have the entrance off of the hallway area.
Perfect.
Okay. So leading into the main area, we're going by this beautiful kitchen. A lot of great designer finishes, as you could see, right? So you have this beautiful gold hardware.
Beautiful.
Right? And then you have this really nice detailing on the cabinets. So you have that little extra elevated look for the cabinets. You do have the GE profile gas cooktop with the additional drawers down below. Okay. And then over here, you have this awesome little area. You can make this into a beverage station, coffee, wine.
Perfect.
Whatever you like. And then you have a pantry through this way with a frosted glass door.
I love this. This feels like such an upgraded kitchen set for you guys. I love the underlighting. The cabinet faces are beautiful. The backsplash is beautiful. And these countertops are stunning.
We definitely went all out on this kitchen for sure. Even just for the quartz countertop, the beautiful veining that you see through here. This is not typical and something that you see in a quick move-in home, right? Yeah. When you're in this kitchen, then you could enjoy your guests while they're dining, or even your kiddos as they're maybe doing some crafts or doing their homework and you're preparing their meals. This is a really nice open floor plan.
Great for entertainment or families.
Exactly. And I don't know if you can see this on camera, but these are 10-foot ceilings with even taller great room area because of the tray ceiling. So that is, again, adding to the elevation of this home. You have the fans here as well.
Beautiful.
And that is already included. And then we're going to head into the owner's retreat. Again, tray ceiling here as well, and the included fan. Now, what's unique about David Weekley Homes, we do offer separate controls for air in the owner's retreat, as well as the main living area and the upstairs, which we'll take a look at.
That's awesome.
So that's really nice. Yeah, you could definitely fit a beautiful king-size bed in here, nice oversized nightstands, and a good sized dresser. And then we're going to head into the bathroom. So again, I know we have the lights on, but with these 2 windows, you are getting a lot of beautiful natural light.
Yeah, all the finishes are so light and airy between the floors and the tiles and the color of the cabinets. I love it.
Yeah, very neutral, like you said, color palette. You could do whatever you like, put your finishing touches on it and really make it your own, right?
Definitely.
But I do love that we do tile all the way up to the ceiling. Again, elevating the spaces. You have the double vanity here as well. And then my favorite part, the closet.
It's huge.
Yeah, I know. And it actually goes further back, making it great for storage like luggage, great for shoe racks, things like that. So I do love that space.
Definitely. I cannot get over how big this bedroom is. That tray ceiling.
Right, that definitely helps to make it feel a lot bigger. That's also part of our life design with David Weekley, all of the large windows, you know, the sight lines, all of that add to make it feel so much bigger.
Absolutely. I love this view from here. It's so big and open, and again, that kitchen is so gourmet.
Right, you can see all the way
elevated.
to the front of the home.
And one thing I do want to point out is we're very close to Pine Island Academy here. So quick golf cart ride right over there, because as a resident, you do have all of the access to the Greenway trails via biking, walking, or golf cart.
And before we head upstairs, we're going to take a really quick peek at the laundry room, where you could see you already have a counter set up there for folding, good size. You could put some cabinets there for extra storage, and then you have a linen closet right off the laundry room as well.
Perfect. Good size laundry room too.
Yes. All right, so heading upstairs, I definitely want to point out the stairs. That is definitely a huge upgrade.
Beautiful.
You have the hard surface stairs. You have the beautiful wrought iron spindles all open all the way up to the second floor.
All right. You really don't have to have lights on in this house. There's so many windows.
Exactly. And I did it, you know, obviously for filming purposes, but when you walk through this house during the day, you definitely do not need any of the lights here.
Could save some money with your electric bill.
So we've landed here at the upstairs retreat, which is a fantastic multifunctional space. You could do so much with this. Whether you have kiddos and you want to do more of like a homework area or another hangout area,
definitely.
Or you could have this as an office as well.
Perfect.
So you could do so much with this space. And then off of the retreat, you have 2 bedrooms, both very good sizes, nice reach-in closets. And upstairs, we have the 9-foot ceilings versus downstairs, you have the 10.
But still feels so tall.
Yes, exactly.
Double sinks, which is great.
So if you do have kiddos, they could share and still have their own sinks in there.
And the upgraded cabinet faces I see again.
Yes,
beautiful.
Exactly. Even the tile is very much upgraded. You have that nice oversized tile surrounding the tub as well.
Beautiful. One more look at that. All right. Well, this home is beautiful, Sylvia. So please remind the viewers where we are at and how they can get in contact with you and any other special details.
Sounds great. So we are at the Shepherd model. We are at 284 Sutton Drive. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, a little under 2,400 square feet. And if you'd like more information, come visit us at our model at 47 Oak Breeze Drive in Crosswinds.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
We hope you're having a great day. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.